everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit exciting, and as you read by the title, today we're gonna be making a vision board. So if you guys don't know what a vision board is, it is a collage or a board which is made up of all your inspirations and all your goals that you want to achieve in 1 year, or maybe even more. You can keep the limit of achieving it as long as you want to. So it's just like a piece of sheet or a piece of board where you stick all the pictures of your inspirations and all the goals that you want to achieve, and just keep it somewhere in your room where it is visible to you every day, so that you can follow it and you can stick to that goal and stick to that routine every day. So that's what a vision board is. It's nothing but like a goal kind of thing which you want to achieve in a particular period of time. So we're going to be making a vision board for this year, and that vision board is going to be my vision board. And if you want, you can get all your pictures and all the materials you want to and sit with me and make your vision board too. So it's a really simple and a really easy process to make a vision board. All you need is a board or a big sheet of paper or cardboard or chart paper or whatever you want, and you will need pictures of whatever goals you want to achieve in this year or even further ahead. So I'm gonna be making this with a foam board, and it's gonna be a little bit thicker than the usual cardboard or the chart paper. So I'm gonna be making it with foam board, and it's gonna be a little bit bigger because I've printed my pictures in A4 size sheet, and I've made it to be a little bit bigger than the usual small sizes of the pictures. So I'm gonna be making it in maybe an A3 size board, which is double A4 size. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video, and it's gonna be a really exciting process. I hope you all like it. Also, I forgot to mention that if you want, you can get pictures of decorations also which you want to decorate a vision board with, so that it looks attractive and looks appealing to your eyes, so that it is easier to achieve your goal, and also it is easier for you to kind of make it look attractive for your eyes. So you can use that also. You can use few decorations also. Even I have printed few decorations like flowers and butterflies and all that. So you can do that also, and you can decorate your vision board as much as you want, but also it needs to have the content of which you want to follow your goals of. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video, and let's get started. So this is the size of the foam board, which is 30 by 30 centimeters, which is a normal long scale length, and these are the pictures which I have got printed and I've just laid it out in front of me. So you can see the thickness of this foam board, which is a little bit thick than the normal sheet or any cardboard, so it stays a bit stiff and doesn't bend. So now I'll be placing the pictures one by one on the board, and the background pictures will go at the back, and the pictures which I wanted in the front will come in the front. Also, you can decorate them with decorations like these are from Itsy Bitsy. These are paper flowers, and I have few sequins also, and then I have few washi tapes also from Itsy Bitsy, and these are all pastel colors, so I thought why not use them also. So as I said earlier, I have these printed decorations also, like those were the flowers, and then these are more cherry blossoms I had printed. Then I have a few butterflies here, and yeah, you can decorate your this thing. And then these are quotes which I had printed for the vision board. Not necessary that you have to have printed pictures itself. You can hand make them, like this one I have made it with hand. and this also. So I have just drawn it and then colored it and then written with black marker. Also you can cut from newspaper also, like this one I have cut it from newspaper. And this like tells eat healthy, and this one also is from newspaper, like exercise and also eat healthy again. Like these are the flower decorations which I wanted to put. So these are most of these pictures, and I'll be placing them on the vision board first, and let's get started. So this is what it looks like after arranging it, and it might change while sticking, but also you can take a photo and keep it as a reference, so that you can look at the photo and keep sticking the things, but you never know that it might change. So this is the photo which I've taken from another phone, and I'll be referring that and sticking the pictures as they go. So as I told earlier that it might change while sticking, so this is how it looks. So as you can see, I have eliminated a few pictures and I've added few decorations like the flowers and the sequins, and also I've added few butterflies and flower pictures here and there. And also you can see that it looks really pretty and it looks really eye-catchy and beautiful, so that I can follow it every day. Also, I'll attach the pictures of this vision board in the next clip. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the process of making the vision board with me, and I hope you all made your own vision boards too. And if you did, please send it to me on my Instagram and I'll post it as my stories. And also, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. If you want more such videos, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know in the comments below as well what type of videos you want more. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.